Hello! Today we're going to draw and color some delicious vegetables. Are you ready? Let's begin. Tomato, carrot, cucumber, bell pepper, eggplant, potato, broccoli, great job! You colored all the vegetables. Thanks for coloring with us. See you next time for more fun drawing and coloring.